Hello all. Hope you are doing good. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Today we have a new topic. This for beginners. Beginners. You just take the knowledge into your mind and then you will flourish better. Today we are going to talk about brushes. When I say brushes, the brushes means there are variety of brushes. We are using shaving cream, some brushes applying. The makeuping, sister, mother, they are applying makeup. There is a brush. If you go to the barber shop, he is using kind of brush to clean your hair. We are cleaning in the toilet. Brush is there. There are toothbrush, brush. So which brush we are talking about? Yes, you are right. Painting brushes. So today I am going to explain you what kind of painting brushes, how to identify the brushes. Any painting brush, there is a size the matter. So any size, any brush, there is a size. What you do, just rotate the brush, you will find a number in the brush. You see this number? There is a number here. It's written number 6. Maybe the camera is not zooming up. There is a number here. And even in the flat brush, there is a number. You can see number 10. There is number 10. So like that, every brush will have a number. Some brushes will not have a number, but that is like this. This is called broad brushes, flat brushes. It's a 2-inch brush. We have a 3-inch brush. We have 1-inch brush. These are the different brushes. You see? And there are different type of brushes. Oil painting kind of brush, acrylic painting, watercolor the kind of brushes, crochet paint, poster color. All kind of water medium can be used by one brush. Now you see this brush, it's a flat brush, but in the top you see there is a round. So this is good for oil paint. You see these brushes, it's good for acrylic paint. Even you can use oil paint also. But when we use oil paint, as an artist, I reduce the height. That we can explain when you are doing the oil painting and acrylic painting. Today concept is, what is the use of the paint? What is the brushes doing? I am going to tell you one secret today. By that we will end the video. Further, I want to hear your comments, then we can answer to you. The brushes, as I told you, round brush, flat brush. There are two variety. You see the silver portion of the brush, this is round. You see the silver portion here, this is flat. One side is flat. They press it flat. The flat brush has got variety. The brush has a different color. What kind of quality brush you are going to use, I do not know. There are a lot of brands available, international brands, Indian brands, any brand. There are so much available in the market. You are getting a quality brush. The quality brush will help you to apply everything. We are getting a quality brush in Oman, we are getting quality brushes. Yes. So choosing brushes your choice by experiencing. How do you experience this? When you put into the water, I am just dipping the brush into the water. And you see when you after you wipe the water, just drop it like this. The brush will be very sharp. When you want to use very minute areas, we have to use other different points. Number 000. See, now I told you this is number 6. There is number 00, 000. 0 means single hair, 2 hair, 3 hair. There are beautiful several super naturalism artists, they are using 000 brush. 000 brush is 0.01 millimeter. Very sharp, 2 hairs. Now you can count hair. The 0 brushes will have one thin hair. Okay. So this is the major thing in the brushes. How to hold the brushes? Holding a brushes, oil painting, there is perfect way. When you staying away from the painting on a canvas painting, see the holding, painting. How it is comfortable to you. Big brush, then the finger chains come to this, like a pen you are holding. You cannot hold a long time. You feel, then you can hold 4 fingers. You can see, very simple. I say. Whatever the way you want to hold, but remember where the touches the hair and the canvas, the hair and the paper. How is the paper? This is supposed to be like your finger. How much water is that? It has it. I do not know. But by experiences tell me, with this water I can color so many area, I can apply color. After few application, see there is no water in the brush now. There is no water. All the water in my finger hand. There is no water here now. Water go? Where it go? I am going to tell you the secret now. For that you need to come closer. What is the brush does it? Just see the secret. You know this, you understand it, then you become an artist soon, painter. So I am just taking a water. Let me tilt the camera a little closer, down. If possible, we can bring it closer. Okay. Now I am taking a water. You see, I am taking the water. Now I am applying one drop. You see, one drop is here. One drop. Okay. After this, I am cleaning the brush. There is no water in my brush. Now look carefully what is the brush is doing. I have to clean clear. Now the brush does not has any water in it. Now see, look carefully. What happened? Where is the water? You see what happened? Where is the water? All the water into the brush now. I will repeat again, you just see it. I am dropping now one drop water. Now I clean the brush and see, I'm moving towards to the water. Just see, I'm moving towards to the water. What happens to the water? Can you see what happened? There is no water now. All the water coming to the brush. Applying the water is coming out now. I clean again. I am touching this water. So the brush will be like a eraser, rubber. You want to remove paint, you add water, slightly merge it, and clean the brush, apply, remove the color. So this is the problem whenever you are painting. This happens to you. When you are painting, you will find you keep painting. Some places the paint is not equal. That means your brush is taking the color. When the brush taking color, then it leaves the color. So when you want to apply again, you need to touch the paint and go again. Touch the water and go again. Otherwise, the color will be removed by the brush. So you understand what is the brush is doing? Start your painting with this knowledge. The next video, we will talk about more colors and things. I will look for your inquiries, comments. Thank you, people, friends and students. This is Jawar with you. Thank you very much.